This is a step-by-step guide for reading off your stock files on your 24 Plus L5P Duramax using HP Tuners TDN app and their MPVi4 or RTD4 device. Once you remove the RTD4 and MPVi4 from your packaging, you will have to perform updates to the hardware. To update the hardware, you must go to HP Tuners website and download the VCM editor, as shown here. You will find that under Downloads, and as of this recording, you will utilize the beta software as seen here. That will bring the tool up to the latest updates. Once downloaded, plug in your MPVi4 or RTD4 device using the cable that was supplied with your product into the computer. We open up the VCM editor or scanner program. And then we go to Help and resync the interface, which will perform an update on the tool. This process is a lot quicker than just utilizing the app itself. Once completed, all of the tools and hardware will be updated and ready to be utilized in the truck. Now you will download the TDN app off the App Store on your smartphone device. And TDN stands for Tune Delivery Network by HP Tuners. Once the app is downloaded and opened, it will take you to the HP Tuners website to create an account. Go ahead and do so. Once you've created an account, you're now ready to read off the truck. Now at the truck with the hardware and cable, if you have anything like an edge device plugged in for gauge monitoring, go ahead and unplug the edge monitor. Plug in your RTD4 or MPVi4 unit into the OBD2 port. Go into Settings on the app, and now we're going to link the device to the phone. Select Device Management. Now hit the Setup Interface option. It'll walk you through the prompts. Now you're going to push and hold the button on the device when it tells you to do so. Once your device that's plugged into the OBD2 port starts flashing, you are in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go ahead and hit Next in the app. It'll be looking for your device once you hit Next. And now it'll begin syncing the device to your smartphone. Once Finish appears and you click it, the device is now successfully linked to your phone. Now turn your ignition on by pushing and holding the start button for about 6 to 7 seconds. And you're going to the Read and Write section on the app. Select Read Vehicle. It'll now give you prompts on the screen. Now that we're working with a 24 Plus Duramax, go ahead and turn the ignition off while performing the read. The message on the screen will tell you what you need to do with the ignition. Select OK. This will begin the read process for the ECM. This may take a few moments. Once the read is complete, we will be turning the ignition on again, pressing and holding the ignition button for 7 seconds to cycle it once more. Then you will select OK to proceed on your screen. It has read off the engine control module successfully as it shows your engine equipped in your truck, the E42. Now it will be switching over to the transmission control module read. To perform the read of the transmission control module, follow the prompts and turn the ignition off. And we hit OK to continue. Now you can see that we're reading the T93 module, which is what is equipped in your 24 Plus L5P Duramax. Once the transmission read is complete, go ahead and turn the ignition on once more. You will do so just like you did prior. Go ahead and hold the ignition for 6 to 7 seconds. Now hit OK to continue. This will begin the read process for the TCM. This may take a few moments. The device will now take your ECM and TCM read and upload it to your account that you've created through HP Tuners so that we may access and tune your files. This step may take a bit of time as it is uploading your reads from your device to your phone to the cloud so that we may access and tune. Once uploaded to the TDN network, our tuning department will begin modifying your stock files. You have now completed the first part of tuning your 24 Plus L5P with the RTD4 or MPVi4. Once your tunes are completed, they will be uploaded and accessible for you to flash.